Welcome to an exclusive look inside Sabrina Carpenter's stunning home. This Grammy-nominated artist invites us on a journey through her personal sanctuary, where every corner tells a story of success and style. Stepping into the main living area, you're immediately struck by the open floor plan. The floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, creating an airy atmosphere that feels both luxurious and welcoming. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true. Gleaming marble countertops pair perfectly with state-of-the-art appliances. It's clear this space was designed not just for cooking, but for entertaining friends and family. Every celebrity needs a quiet retreat, and Sabrina's reading nook is pure bliss. A comfortable window seat overlooks while built-in bookshelves hold her favorite novels and memorabilia from her career. The master bedroom is an oasis of calm. Neutral tones dominate the space, complemented by a stunning chandelier that adds a touch of glamour. The adjoining walk-in closet is every fashion enthusiast's fantasy. Imagine soaking in this stunning freestanding tub after a long day of touring. The bathroom features spa-like amenities including heated floors, a rainfall shower, and ambient lighting perfect for relaxation. For a musician, having a home studio is essential. Sabrina's setup includes professional recording equipment, acoustic panels, and her beloved guitar collection. This is where hit songs are born. Staying fit on the road is easier with this incredible home gym. Complete with cardio equipment, free weights, and yoga space, it proves that even busy artists prioritize their health and wellness. The outdoor space is designed for entertaining. A covered patio features comfortable lounge seating, a fire pit for cool evenings, and string lights that create magical ambience for gatherings. The backyard oasis includes a stunning infinity pool surrounded by lush tropical landscaping. Private cabanas offer shaded spots to relax, while the clear blue water invites endless summer fun. Movie nights reach a new level in this incredible home theater. Plush seating, a massive projector screen, and a popcorn machine transform family movie nights into cinema experiences. Beyond music, Sabrina expresses herself through visual art. Her dedicated art studio features natural light perfect for painting, complete with an easel, supplies, and walls adorned with her creations. Even laundry day feels luxurious in this well-designed utility space. Modern appliances, ample counter space for folding, and clever storage solutions make household chores effortless. The grand foyer sets the tone for the entire home. A statement chandelier greets guests, while carefully curated artwork and a statement mirror create a memorable first impression. A sophisticated home office provides the perfect space for creative work and administration. Natural light floods the desk area, while organizational systems keep important documents and projects in order. Friends and family are welcomed into beautifully appointed guest rooms. Each space offers privacy and comfort, with thoughtful amenities that make visitors feel right at home. The climate-controlled garage houses Sabrina's impressive car collection. Beyond vehicle storage, the space includes a workshop area for projects and additional storage for rarely used items. As our tour comes to an end, we see the home in all its glory. Sabrina Carpenter's house isn't just a residence, it's a reflection of her journey, her taste, and the incredible success she's achieved. Thanks for watching.